The rising waters of Poyang Lake, a direct result of torrential rains, have forced a group of milu deer to move towards farmland. On July the 4th, a herd of 12 wild milu deer was captured on camera, navigating through the farmlands. Historically native to the Poyang Lake area, these majestic creatures had vanished from the region until the provincial initiative in 2013 breathed new life into their wild population. Launched in 2013, the Jiangxi government's program has successfully reintroduced the milu deer to their ancestral home. The area now supports an estimated population of around 80.